Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we're going to cover miles 175 through 152 on I-94 in Minnesota heading west. We begin in Stearns County. By the mile markers, we covered 23 miles, but there seems to be some discrepancy about that because according to Google Maps, we traveled 23.6 miles. I don't know if that's because they adjusted the alignment of the interstate and failed to reposition the mile markers, or if it was just an error on the map. Looking into it more closely, it appears that the mile markers are placed slightly more than 1 mile apart, causing a gain of 0.6 of a mile over 23 miles. Here we enter the city limits of St. Cloud, which is the largest population center in the state's central region. Its population is 68,043 according to the 2018 U.S. Census estimates, making it Minnesota's 10th largest city. St. Cloud is the county seat of Stearns County and was named after the city of St. Cloud, France. St. Cloud State University, Minnesota's third largest public university, is located between the downtown area and the Beaver Islands, which form a maze for a 2-mile stretch of the Mississippi. The approximately 30 undeveloped islands are a popular destination for kayak and canoe enthusiasts and are part of a state-designated 12-mile stretch of wild and scenic river. St. Cloud owns and operates a hydroelectric dam on the Mississippi River that can produce up to 10 megawatts of electricity. The city of St. Cloud was incorporated in 1856. It developed from 3 distinct settlements known as Uppertown, Middletown, and Lowertown that were established by European American settlers starting in 1853. Remnants of the deep ravines that separated the 3 are still visible today. We enter St. Joseph Township, which completely surrounds the city of St. Joseph. It was organized in 1858 and named for a local church. The township has a population of 1,924 people as of the 2010 census. We enter the city of St. Joseph with an estimated population of 7,147 as of 2018. The city was incorporated in 1890. St. Joseph is home to the College of St. Benedict, an all-women's Catholic college, and the complex is noted in the downtown area for the high spire of St. Joseph's Church and the rotunda and dome of the monastery and college Sacred Heart Chapel. The architecture is different from other buildings and the major structures are visible from miles away. St. Joseph contains 3 properties listed on the National Register of Historic Places: the 1869 Church of St. Joseph, the 1918 First State Bank Building, and a district of historic buildings at the St. Benedict's Monastery and College built from 1882 to the 1920s. We enter Collegeville Township, organized in 1880 and named after the nearby St. John's University. Collegeville had a population of 3,343 as of the 2010 census. The big green sign at exit 156 has everything sloppily painted out except for the county highway shield, presumably because there's some sort of construction at this exit. The exit sign should read St. John's College. We enter Avon Township, established in 1866 and with a population of 2,294 as of 2010. The township contains 1 property listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the 1902 Church of the Immaculate Conception. We enter the city of Avon, which has an estimated population of 1,550 as of 2017. Avon was laid out in 1873. The community is named after the River Avon in England. A post office has been in operation at Avon since 1873, and the city was incorporated in 1900. We conclude today's video at mile 152. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.